everyone. Today our topic is cell, the basic unit of life. As we all know that all living organisms are composed of tiny units called cells. Cells are structural and functional and basic unit of life. We will know the history of the cell. In 1665, Robert Hooke observed cells in thin slices of cork under his microscope. Only when Leeuwenhoek observed a minute microscopic organism in rainwater and called it as animalcules. In 1831, Robert Brown observed dark colored dot or spherical-like structure in the center of the cell and named it as nucleus. Nucleus is also known as control room of the cell. Now we move to cell theory. Matthias Schleiden and Theodor Schwann formulated together cell theory. Rudolf Karl Virchow stated that all cells arise from pre-existing cells, which was stated in Latin, that is omnis cellula e cellula. Based upon the number of cells, all living organisms are classified into two types. First one is unicellular, second one is multicellular. Unicellular are single-celled organisms, means which have single cell, and multicellular have many cells. Examples of unicellular organisms are amoeba, paramoecium, and examples of multicellular organisms are plants and animals. Based on internal structure of the cell, cells are classified into two major types, that is prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell. Cells which do not possess membrane-bound nucleus is called prokaryotic cell. Examples of prokaryotic cells are bacteria and blue-green algae. Cell which possess membrane-bound nucleus is called eukaryotic cell. Examples of eukaryotic cells are animals and plants.
Difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell, membrane-bound nucleus is absent. Eukaryotic cell, membrane-bound nucleus is present. Prokaryotic cell, membrane-bound organelles like mitochondria, Golgi apparatus and endoplasmic reticulum are absent. Eukaryotic cell, all the membrane-bound organelles are present. Prokaryotic cell, genetic material is in the form of single curricular naked DNA without histones. Eukaryotic cell, it is in the form of chromosomes in which DNA is surrounded by histones. Prokaryotic cell, cell division is by fission or budding. Eukaryotic cell, it takes place by meiosis. Prokaryotic cell examples are bacteria and blue-green algae. Eukaryotic cell examples are all living organisms like animal cell, plant cell, fungi and protozoa.